Hey there. Are you facing issues with Cash App not sending money? You're not alone. Many users encounter this problem, but the good news is there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve it. In this guide, we'll dive into how to fix Cash App not sending money and ensure your transactions go through smoothly, so stick around. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First thing to verify when Cash App isn't sending money is your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial for the app to function correctly. Ensure you're connected to Wi-Fi or have a strong cellular signal. If your connection is weak, try switching to a different network or resetting your router for a more stable connection. Once you're online, relaunch the app and attempt the transaction again. Step 2. Verify your account details. Sometimes simple errors can lead to transaction failure. Double check that all your account information is correct. Ensure the recipient's details, such as their phone number, hash tag, or email, are accurate. Additionally, confirm your debit or credit card details or update. If any information is incorrect, it could prevent the transaction from going through. Step 3. Check your account balance. Your Cash App balance or linked bank account might not have enough funds to complete the transaction. Double check your balance by opening the app and navigating to the Balance tab. Ensure that you have sufficient funds available. If needed, transfer additional money into your Cash App balance from your bank account and redo the transaction. Step 4. Update the Cash App. An updated app could cause processing issues. Ensure your Cash App is fully updated by visiting the App Store or Google Play Store and checking for any available update. After updating, restart your device. Relaunch the app and try sending the money again. Step 5. Clear cache and data. Sometimes accumulated cache and data can cause an app to malfunction. To clear the cache, go to your device's settings, find the Cash App, and select Clear Cache and Clear Data. This will reset the app without deleting your account information. Open Cash App after clearing the cache and attempt the transaction once more. Step 6. Contact Cash App support. If none of these steps work, reaching out to Cash App support could resolve your issue. Open the app, go to your profile, select Support, and choose Something Else. Follow the prompts to contact customer support, who can review your account and provide a tailored solution. Dealing with an app issue can be frustrating, but knowing how to fix Cash App not sending money will help ensure your transactions proceed without it. By following these steps, checking your internet connection, verifying account details, ensuring sufficient balance, updating the app, clearing cache, and contacting support, you can troubleshoot effectively. Always keep your app and device updated and secure to avoid further issues. Good luck with your future transactions.